We guide you through how to fix iPhone mobile data not working. So the first thing you need to do is to check cellular data is turned on by opening settings, tapping cellular, and making sure cellular data is enabled. If you have multiple SIMs, select correct line and make sure it's turned on. Next, turn airplane mode on or about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network connection. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone. Then, check your cellular signal and try moving an area with better coverage. Go back to settings, tap cellular, then cellular data options, and make sure LTE or 5G is enabled if your carrier supports it. You should also check for a carrier settings update by going to Settings, General, About, and wait a few seconds for an update prompt. If mobile data still isn't working, reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset, then reset network settings. Keep in mind, this will remove saved Wi Fi networks and passwords.